A patient who had undergone endodontic treatment in the past visited the dental clinic with pain in the same tooth. The concerned tooth is tender on percussion, and IUP of the tooth was taken and is attached for your reference here. Based on the IUP, the dentist predicted a difficulty and used which file for cleaning and shaping. Now here, see, in the IUP we are seeing, so here it is evident some calcification in the canal. Okay, calcification in the canal is evident on this X-ray. And for the calcified canals, cleaning and shaping, generally stiff files should be used with a lot of irrigant and lubricant, EDTA, gelating agent. Okay, so here the stiffest file which is here, which can be used in this case, that is C plus file. Okay, so see, it is a calcified canal as evident on the IUPA. So here for negotiation of calcified canals, negotiation of such canals, we have to use stiff files. Stiff files means files which have greater flexural strength. Okay, flexural strength should be great in these files, plus lot of copious irrigation, plus chelating agent. Chelating agent is a must here. Chelating agent. Okay, so with the help of those, this canal can be negotiated. So these C plus file, these are what? C plus files. These are specially treated stainless steel files. Okay, specially treated SS files have amazing stiffness and strength. Very nice stiffness and strength is there in these files. Okay, so they can be used for difficult and calcified canals and have better buckling resistance than K files, and the twisted file design provides greater strength. It is available in sizes 8, 10, 15 and in lengths 18, 21 and 25 mm. These files are available. Okay, so these are used here. So here the dentist will be using C plus file for this patient. Okay, based on the IUPA. Now see unifile. What are other options? Unifile, they resemble H file in appearance, less efficient and less prone to fracture. Then C files, these are twisted file design, provides greater strength, better buckling resistance than K file, or it can be used for difficult and calcified canals. Okay, golden medial files, they come under intermediate files provided with half sizes between conventional instruments described by Wien. That is important. The name of the scientist described by Wien. Then these are formed by cutting 1 mm from the tip of the instrument, and in this way number 10 file can be converted to number 12, number 15 to 17 and so on. Now see here, these are the C plus files, images which are showing C plus files, number 8, number 10, number 15 C plus files are here, and they are available in lengths 18, 21 and 25 mm. Okay, so important points about these: greater buckling resistance than K file and have stiffness and strength, amazing stiffness and strength, so that they can be used for difficult and calcified canals. And now in this IUP here, calcified canal is evident here. Okay, that's why previously also maybe it was not negotiated because of that calcification only. Okay, so for this calcified canal, EDTA means chelating agent, lot of chelating agent plus a stiff file like C plus file can be used. So here answer would be option 3, C plus file.